What is going on, guys? My name is Juice7 and today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to install your Bayson R or your Type R style lip on your Mazda 3 2007, 8, 2009, 2004, 2005, 2006. But today I actually already installed it, but I'm going to explain how I installed it because it's actually not designed for my car. And if you guys have any base model Mazda 3, if it's not the GT, then you guys cannot do that. If you guys have like the base, like the I model, the GS model, or the even like just like the, I don't know, you guys have to have a cool front bumper. And if you guys have the front bumper without the fog lights, if you guys have the front bumper just without the fog lights, or the like the touring bumper with the round fog lights, then you guys can't do this. It's only for the GT or the S model Mazda 3. So that didn't stop me from doing it. I got really mad, so I did it and I installed it. So if you guys ended up by buying this lip and you guys waited for me to actually go and install it, I'm still gonna show you, you know, how to install it. If you guys bought it, still doesn't fit, don't worry, you still can install it. It just looks a little funky, but you know, you'll get through it and it's gonna look pretty wicked. So a little amming. This is what I got, and I'm gonna run you through the installation. All you need are 3 self-drilling bolts. The typical 10 and 3/4 self-drilling screws. I always use these. That's all you need, or 3 of them, because that's all that's gonna fit. You literally have 3 places that you can mount these, and that's gonna hold the lip from bouncing around. And it actually holds it pretty sturdy, so let's go show you how to install it. As you guys can see, it looks very nice. So this is what it looks like on the car when it's lifted up. Now if you guys do have side skirts, which you guys will need, it does line up with it nice and flush. So the first part to the installation, you guys will probably need a buddy to do this, because I needed my dad to help me just hold one part, but that was halfway through it. So to start the installation, this is where I started. I bolted it in right here. So you guys got 2 plastic clips, one that holds up here, one that holds down here. That's all you guys have on the front bumper here. Keep note of where I drilled this in. You guys are going to want to drill it in right there in this little area just below where the first hole sits. Don't worry about this. Like, obviously this is not a perfect fit, it's not going to look fine, but I think the wheel's going to cover most of that anyway, so we should be fine with it. So now once you've done that, of course, drill it in, self-drill. It's pretty sturdy. You guys will notice that I drilled in a second bolt right there, but that's not that part yet. So what you guys will want to do, because now you have to drill in that side, the what you guys are going to want to do is get someone to hold the lip right here and kind of just push, like legit just push it in so that the bottom here kind of sits like with the bumper. This is the only place that you're going to actually be able to drill it into the middle. So push it up against here. Drill, actually don't drill that one in yet, just make sure someone's drilling that in, or holding that. Make sure someone's holding that. Then you're gonna want to come over here and drill this one in. This is this, and I kind of don't mind that, I never did that, but you're gonna want to drill it in basically the same spot. And what this does is, it kind of, how I have it set up is that it's like really strong, so that you can either have the like the lip low, which you can't have it like that, or you can have it high, that like it sits like on the bumper. So that's installed on that side. Now the person that was holding the lip can let go and it will actually sit here, but you guys do need to drill into the bumper right here, right into the middle with another screw, which will hold it in place. And as you guys can see, the only part that really moves is right here. Under here, you guys can see that obviously it doesn't fit at all. There's no, like, nowhere else to drill it, so you guys are gonna have to deal with it. But yeah, I mean, hopefully this bad boy doesn't have a lot of downforce and rips it off. But basically that's how you install it. Like, it's actually really easy if you know how. If you guys just bought this lip and you're coming to this video because you're confused and doesn't fit your car. Now for me, the only reason I actually bought this lip is because I saw someone running this lip with a base model bumper, but I guess he rigged it on like I did. So that's how you guys rig on your Bayson R front lip. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But other than that, since the lip is on, let's lower the car and get some rolling shots. I also have the side skirts on too, so it's gonna look pretty wicked, hopefully. It's gonna be my first rolling shots I've ever seen with the whole body kit on. And I'm gonna have front mud flaps on too when you get the rolling. I got rally armor. So just the front, not the rear. Let's go look at the rolling shot. Alright guys, and that's the video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions or anything on how to rig it, I mean, it's pretty riggable. I rigged it onto my car, and honestly it looks like it fits, but I'm glad that I put it on, and I'm glad that I was able to rig it on. Don't buy one if you guys don't like ruining your car. My front bumper is pretty scratched up now. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos. I got mud flaps coming up, and then I also got that coilover video I still have to make. And I'll see you guys in the next one.